This 5-minute solution will show you how to remove someone from a Meta Business Suite account. So if you added a user to your Meta Suite to handle your Facebook and your Instagram, and now you want to remove the user, follow these easy steps. First of all, open Meta Business Suite and make sure to select here your business account. And then click on Settings. Once you are in Settings page, here select People. And now you will get here all of your added users. To remove any user from your Meta Business Suite, just click on the user whom you want to remove and click on this three dot and click on Remove from Business Account, and the user will be removed. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.